Hello, Dance Universe. This is Coach Aaron, one of the star choreographers ng Stars on the Floor. For this episode, ang napunta sa aking duo ay si Rojan and Dasuri. Tapos, yung na-assign sa aming emotion is sadness. And yung style naman is open choreography. Given na na-struggles yung mismo mga choreography and yung mga complicated steps na ginagawa namin, siguro part doon yung mga lifting. Kasi we had this one lifting na kailangan buhatin ni Rojan si Dasuri sa balikat niya nang nakatayo. So isa yun sa pinaka nag-worry ako and naging struggle namin kasi hindi siya biro. Imagine parang tutungtong dito si Dasuri sa balikat. So may fear kami na baka mamaya bumagsak and everything. Pero talagang ginawa namin yung best namin para makuha yung technique kung paano makukuha yung grip and yung talagang stable na stunt para maging safe yung gagawin naming lifting. Also siguro hindi naman sa struggle pero isa sa parang mahirap is yung emotions during our rehearsals kasi this particular piece is very personal to Kuya Rojan. So we will dedicate this for his mom. So imagine yung lungkot, yung grief niya, minsan talaga doon namin ibubuhos sa sayo na to. So minsan talagang nagbe-burst into tears si Kuya Rojan and even kami ni Dasuri. Pero at the end of the day, parang tinik namin yung opportunity na yun to have the dance as an art form na ma-express ni Kuya Rojan and even me as a choreographer. Tapos si Dasuri din, kung ano man yung parang personal din na take niya para ma-put through dance namin yung emotions namin lahat.
Stars on the floor!